Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage data pipelines with Apache Airflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage data pipelines effectively with Apache Airflow, start by understanding the fundamental concepts. Begin by installing Apache Airflow in your environment using pip. Run the command pip install Apache Airflow. Next, initialize the Airflow database by execute. Once the database is set up, create a new directory for your Airflow project. In this directory, create a folder named DAGs. This is where you will store your directed acyclic graphs, or DAGs. Now, let's create your first DAG. Open your favorite text editor and create a new Python file, naming it example_dag.py. In this file, import the necessary modules from Airflow. At a minimum, you will need to import DAG and Python operator. Define a function that will serve as the task within your DAG. This function can be anything simple, like a print statement. Now, instantiate a DAG object with a unique identifier and time-related parameters. Set the schedule_interval to determine how often the DAG should run. Next, create a Python operator that links the task to your function. Pass in the task_ID in the Python function you defined earlier. Set the DAG parameter of the Python operator to the DAG you instantiated. Make sure to set the dependencies if you have multiple tasks that need to run in a specific order. Save your example_dag.py file in the DAGs folder. Start the Airflow web server by running Airflow web server port 8080. In a new terminal, start the Airflow scheduler with the command Airflow scheduler. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 8080. Log into the Airflow web interface to view your DAGs. You should see the example DAG you just created. Toggle the switch to enable the DAG. Once it's enabled, you can manually trigger it to test its execution. Monitor the log output for the task to ensure it ran successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.